Hey guys, welcome back. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful flowers on my hand. And no, I did not paint them myself. So if you want to see that, stick around. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so today I am going to show you something that I bought off Amazon. I don't really know what you call them. I basically have been calling them nail tattoos. And they are essentially these like water transfer stickers. They came in like a pack of 50. The one that I'm going to be using today is this one right here, and I have already applied it to my right hand because I just wanted to make sure that I knew how to do this. So a few things that you're going to need is a dish with some water in it, possibly some tweezers, and a pair of scissors just to cut out the style or picture that you want. And depending on how long your nails are, obviously you will use, maybe one of these or multiple. You can mix and match if you want, or you could do your whole hand like I've done here. Now, I've already gone ahead and I have painted my nails, and the two colors that I used are from Model 1's. Shocking! There is Poetry, and the other one is Cadbury Purple. And it's basically just a mauve-y pink color, mauve, however you say that, whatever country you're from. So yeah, the mauve pink and this deep purple color. I thought that either one of these would go well with this flower here. So, I mean, there's really nothing else to do than to show you how to do this. If you do want like an in-depth video on how I paint my nails, please let me know down below. I can do that. I'm not the best at painting my nails, as you can see from my thumb over here, but we'll just pretend like you don't see that. But if you would like to see that, let me know. I'd be glad to go ahead and show you. But I figured this video, I wanted to make it mostly about these little things right here. And they are super simple to do. I literally did these stickers, not all the painting and whatnot, but I did the stickers in a matter of like 10 minutes, probably less, to be honest with you. I am actually wearing Aimeili builder gel underneath here. I just built up a small nail. I wanted to do a look for you shorties out there, for you girls that don't really like the long nails, and I thought this was the way to go. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to cut out the sticker or pattern that you want. I'm going to start with the pinky, so I'm going to go with this little one right here. And I am just going to cut it out, and I'm going to drop it in the water. Now, I just kind of stick it in there, and I keep touching it until it goes completely underwater. I've only watched one other video on this, so I don't know if that's like the proper way to do it, but it seemed like the easiest. Because essentially what you're going to do, unlike an actual like water transfer tattoo, is you're gonna peel this off from the paper as opposed to like putting it on and then dabbing water on the back. So we just want to wait. I count to like 10 seconds or until I can get it under, and for whatever reason this one is being really stubborn and doesn't want to go underwater. So okay, well that one just released. And you basically just pick it up and stick it on your finger, like so. And you have a little bit of playtime, but once it kind of dries, that's it. It's not moving. So just kind of position it where you want it and leave it alone. And then I'll go ahead. Oh, you know what I didn't do on this hand? You want to buff your nails first. So let's do that first. Go ahead and just lightly buff. I'm going to just lightly buff my nails and I'll be back. Okay, sorry about that. I wanted to have nice nails when I first came on camera, and I kind of forgot that I had to buff them first. Alrighty, so we got the pinky on, and I'm going to move on to the middle finger. And for the middle finger, I want to do I want 2 flowers? I think I might actually try to do like 2 different flowers. So I'm gonna cut these 2, and I think I'm just gonna cut the one large piece and stick it in the water. Flip her over. There you go. That's what I want to see. And to be honest, I'm just gonna like cut the rest of them and put them in there. I'm gonna take this one here for my thumb. They can all kind of soak because this really takes no time at all. I mean, the longest time is waiting for them to soften up and soak in the water. And as I was mentioning, I have my nails built up with the Aimeili Builder base. If you want to see a video on that, I'll have it linked up in the cards or down below in the description box. It's one of my more recent videos that I did. Yeah, I kind of just wanted to do some short nails. I used just the clear one, but I kind of wish that I had used one of like the pink ones, so that way if I wanted to remove my nail polish, I would have like a nice pink set underneath, but it still worked out the same. The thing I did notice though with the clear is that the heat spike's not as bad. If anyone has an explanation as to why that is, please let me know, because I don't know. The experience I had with the pink one was awful. So, and I know a couple of you guys have like commented and given me tips on like what to do. And someone had said that the reason for the heat spikes is because the gel was too thick. So I kind of like tested that theory out with the clear, and it still was giving me major heat spikes. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. Or it's something to do with the formula between the different colors. I don't know. It was very strange though. All right, so I am simply just peeling this stuff off and sticking it on to my nails and arranging it however you like. And you can put as many. I went ahead, I put 2 on that finger. I think that looks kind of cute. And I think I'm gonna cut maybe like this one and this small one, because I like the look of the 2 flowers on the nail, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna do the small one here and one of the other ones for my index finger. But like guys, I'm literally almost done. That is crazy. And of course, you do want to seal this in with a top coat. And it's very thin. Like I have a top coat over this and I don't feel anything on my nail right now. Okay. Let me get closer so I can show you. I'm just kind of sliding it off the paper a little bit and then grabbing it with the tweezers, and then I just throw that paper to the side and I place it on the finger. And again, you can move it. It has a little bit of playtime, but sometimes it dries much quicker. And once it's dry, that's it. It's not going anywhere. Super cute. All right, let's go for the index finger here. I think I'm going to do the bigger one up by the cuticle. And if by chance this video does come out a day late, that is because I was not feeling very well. My husband and I both got our second COVID shots, and I just felt like really run down and tired, and my body was like super achy yesterday. I mean, I'm already in pain because of everything else that I've been through this year, so it was kind of a rough day yesterday. Guys, that's it. That took all of 5 minutes, and I took a 30-second break to buff my nails, and I'm finished. I'm gonna top coat my nails, and that's it. I mean, it can't get any easier than that to add a little flair to the nails. I mean, I'll put some top coat on if you guys want to watch for another 30 seconds. Feel free. But yeah, I mean, it is very, very simple. I have a ton of these and I plan on using them because it's easier than applying gemstones. It's easier than applying nail foils, in my opinion. And you get a better payoff for sure. When you do nail foils, it's like you don't know if that whole thing is going to transfer or not. So yeah, I'm literally just going to top coat this and I'm going to cure it and then I'm going to be done. So I'll be back. All right, guys. Well, that's it for the nail look this week. I kind of felt guilty. Like I feel like I should be doing more, but I wanted to show you guys an easy, simple nail look, and there you have it. And this can be done on short nails, on long nails, on almond nails, on square, on any kind of nail that you want. You can use these. And I figured I would just like fan this out a little bit to show you, you know, some of the different designs that this came with. I don't know if this is definitely more than 50. I think it's like 100 different sheets of designs. And there's flowers, there's butterflies, there's feathers, there's lips, there's hearts. I will have it linked down below because I think it is totally worth it. You can definitely elevate your manicure by using these little tattoos. That's what I'm going to call them because that's what they act like to me. So please check out my Instagram page. I'll have that linked down below. Join me on all social media platforms. Currently that's the only one. Well, that and Twitter, but I'm not as active on Twitter right now. It's the same, Luxe Nails by Jen. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.